This is Robin on the Road, your concierge for all things travel, and today I'd like to take you on a tour of the gardens and gravesite at Monticello, home of 3rd President Thomas Jefferson. Pack your bags, let's go! With Mulberry Row and head toward Jefferson's grave, we need to talk about his amazing gardens. The terrace garden, which lies behind a 1,000-foot retaining wall, was a grand experiment. Jefferson will keep meticulous notes on seeds sown and plants harvested. Of the 330 species of herbs, vegetable, and fruit, many were new to the American garden. Things like eggplants, artichokes, broccoli, cauliflower, and peanuts. Peaches were Jefferson's favorite, but his orchard grew figs, apples, cherries, pears, plums, and nectarines, even a vineyard. His ornamental garden along the winding walk is beautiful. He will research and correspond with botanists and nurserymen from around the world, collecting and sharing seeds. Because of these meticulous notes, the Jefferson Foundation has been able to recreate his gardens. The garden tours meet several times a day out by the pond. Times are posted throughout Monticello. The path from Mulberry Road leads us to the final resting place for Thomas Jefferson. As a boy, Jefferson and his best friend Dabney Carr will study the oak tree and make a pact that whoever dies first will bury the other there. Jefferson is faithful to his pact when he buries Dabney, who passes in 1773 at the age of 30. Jefferson will pass on July 4, 1826, the 50th anniversary of the signing of the Declaration. His epitaph leaves us with one more glimpse into the man, as he omits being Governor of Virginia and President of the United States. The cemetery is owned by his descendants. The tour bus will pick you up at the cemetery for a ride back down the mountain, but the walking path down the hill is easy and delightful. Thank you, fellow traveler, for joining me on this tour of the gardens and gravesite at Monticello, home of our 3rd President, Thomas Jefferson. This video is part of my Monticello deep dive. Check it out if you get a chance. Please smack that bell and subscribe to my channel, and check out my latest video on the Robert Russell Museum, a civil rights story in Virginia that will leave you breathless. Until that time, this is Robin on the Road, your concierge for all things travel, and I hope to see you out there on a road of your own. Until then, safe travels.